content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2012 Porsche 911 Carrera freshwater flood damage vehicle. Right now we're going over the vehicle. We actually just got this vehicle running. We had to replace a few computers in the interior of the vehicle. Water level was somewhere about below the headlight, around there. We'll take a look inside. Headlights are clean. We were selling this one with a salvage title. You got the ceramic brake caliper, ceramic brakes. There was no water inside the engine. We checked all the fluids, the filters. Really nice vehicle. Take a look inside. So the water level was just right about here, the seat bottoms. Seats don't work. Radio didn't power up. I'm still buttoning it up back here. Those are some of the modules we had to replace in the fuse boxes to get it running. On the website. No, just some pieces. Give them a little gas. That sounds good.